Hello everyone and welcome to our video. We are delighted to have you here today. A special welcome to Mr. Iwan Widi Pranyana, our lecturer for our ERP system course. Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation today. In this video, we will present our implementation of Odoo ERP based on the case study of Mama Roti Company. Before we begin, allow us to introduce ourselves. We are from Group 5. My name is Pankrasius Arewicaksono, and my teammates Erlis Krisdayanti, Nadia Rowley, and Gerson Sebastian. We hope you enjoy our presentation, and without further ado, let's get started.
We're going to demonstrate our final result project, which is implementing Odoo to our business cases, which is Mama Roti. So before we dive into the business process that running into the Odoo, we are going. I'm going to tell about the setup and also some customization and configuration, and also the environment that our group using to use to development this project. So basically, our project itself is running on my home server, which is we are running it on Docker. So we're using some images like Odoo 17 and also Postgre for databases, and also I'm tunneling it with the ngrok, so all my teammates can access the Odoo in the same time, so we don't need to matching each other. Configuration and also customization. So after we'll talk in the environment, so we're going to the Odoo. So here we have three database that we already make. So the first one is the Mama Roti, which is contains every base like data and also some apps set up. So when we are needed to start over, we only use this and copy this and duplicate this. And create start over from new one. Like this is only for the mitigation if we have something trouble with our dev. And also we have the Mama Roti fix, which is the production one. This is already fit on our production, but not really automation. Has the automation, and also this is dev. This is where we are currently running our Mama Roti Odoo implementation, which is already contains some automation that we already think this is needed for make the business processes easier. So we're going to use the dev database, and we're going to login. Sorry. So this is our first impression for the Mama Roti. So basically, it's only just simple dashboard, which is we are make it full customization. So this on Mama Roti itself, we are currently using like 8 modules, which is like quality control, POS, invoicing, purchase, and others. So in all over this module, we are using the OCHA, which is the Community One Quality Control. This is from OCHA. We're using it because quality control based on the Odoo itself is paid, so we need to upgrade to enterprise, and we have some quality control from OCHA too, so we're using the free one from OCHA. Uh, and also we are make the Mama Roti dashboard using full customization. Only make a new view like here. This is Mama Roti dashboard. This only contains all this view and also some data models that we really needed. Uh, this is the data that we needed. And also we are running some automation, which is really helping the integrate every modules that we have. So basically like the reorder point that we have in inventory, we can just run the scheduler because we have the uh, this reorder point rules, which is contains the minimum quantity and maximum quantity that we can have. And also we can trigger the run scheduler to auto create the purchase order for Mama Roti. So it contains a bit of customization, which is helping for the inventory. And also we have some data master like BOM here, and on the manufacturer like this BOM for each our product. like this Mexican bean chocolate, we have all components that we needed. So when we are running the new manufacture, we don't need to input the components one by one. It contains already all the component that on the BOM. And also we do some integrates manufacture and quality control. So every time we create a new manufacturing order, it will trigger to create a new quality control here. So it's going to pop up a new QC like QC 0001 to 0, which is it's automate, and we only need to check it and confirm because it's already referenced to the our uh, manufacturing one here. I mean like manufacturing ID. So itself is going to help the quality control staff to automate the creation of QC order. And also we have some configuration, I mean the customization on the Mitra demo and also our main company. So every time we create a new purchases on this Mitra to our main company, it will trigger the automate the sales on here. So it's going to create a new quotation for Mitra demo. So it's integrating. So the Mama Roti one company not really need to create a sales order by manual. And also maybe we're going to talk about the data master. Here is our data master just a bit. We are going to use the CSV on this, like the product bread and product category and product tree and also the raw material, which is content just a bit of the product that we could get from the Mama Roti, because we don't really have the full one for the Mama from the Mama Roti. So we're gonna use just some of data master that we create. And also, to continue the explanation, I'm going to pass it to Aryo for the business process that we're running in the Odoo.
Thank you, Gerson. Now I will continue the next part. It is Procure-to-Pay. So for the first one, we click the new button on the purchase module. And now we want to choose the vendor first. For example, I'll choose PT Susu Setu Santara, and the product that I want to restock is here. I will choose chocolate, and for the quantity, the unit of measure is gram here. So for example, maybe I will input 4 kilogram, and after that we confirm the order, and the purchase order will be print here. And after that we click the receive products, and we click the forecast report. Here we want to choose the update quantity. Now we can choose which lot or serial number that we want to use. We use lot or serial number for the batch of the product, so we can choose which product that we want to use to make the buns, Mexican buns, and from which batch. So for example, here I will choose the newest ones. Here I'll click save and go back, and after that we go to the lot part. Here we copy the serial number. I'm sorry that I forgot, and after that we go back again, and after that we go to the detailed operations. Here we paste the serial number because it is required, and after that we go back again and click validate, and it is done for procure to pay. And here I choose the example is restocking the chocolate, and for the next part I will demonstrate about the manufacturing one. So we go to manufacturing modules, and after that we choose new button. And for example, here I want to make Mexican buns because we restock the chocolate, so we go to Mexican buns chocolate, and here the bill of material that we use. For example, here I will make 2 units for the demonstration, and after that we click the confirm button. After we click the confirm button, here we have to choose one by one the serial number. Alright, after that, we check the consume here. We check the consume, all of it, so the raw material from our warehouse will be consumed and will be decreased. Okay, let's see. We click the produce all buttons. Here, for example, for the demonstration, here is expired components, but in reality, don't use expired components, okay? Okay, we click the confirm. There is an invalid operation, so there is a quality control. We have to go to the quality control first for this manufacturing order. So we will remind the 54 manufacturing order. And now we go to the quality control, and the quality control here, we will find the newest ones here, the QC 21, tingkat kematangan. Okay, so we confirm this one. We confirm and the quality success. There is a qualitative question like kematangannya apakah sudah pas for the Mexican buns. Is it cooked well or not? If yes, we confirm the QC, and after that we go back again to the manufacturing and we click the Mexican buns chocolate. After that we click again the produce all buttons. We click the confirm. Yep, it is done, and that's it for the Procure-to-Pay and Produce-to-Stock with quality control module. And for the next part will be explained by my partner.
Hello everyone, I'm Aris Kristianti Halawa for Group 5, and in this demonstration I will show you the business process in Odoo, starting from creating a purchase order, continue with the manufacturing process, and ending with the order to cash, including invoice creation and payment registration. Okay, first we log in to the Mitra demo, and then we go to module purchase and create a new purchase order. Okay, for the vendor we choose Mama Roti. And for the product for the example, we choose Brexit. Okay, bench choices 20. Yeah, once all the information is complete, we click confirm order. Okay, nah, we switch to Mama Roti dashboard. Wait. Now, and open the sales module. Now we open the latest order that we just created before. Where on this? Now this is the order we created before. Then we click confirm. Okay, now after that we move to manufacturing modules. Now here we search for the manufacturing order generated from the sales order. Okay, today. Okay. Now once we create it, we assign the series number first. Okay, this is a serial number. When we create, we do the same things for all the product. Okay, we plan. Okay. Sorry guys. To do that, we saw to start the work orders first. Okay. To change the component status from the not available to be available. Now we can finish it. Okay. After we finish it, we click produce all. Okay. Confirm. Okay, confirm again. Okay. It's done. Next we verify that the finished product has been added to the inventory. For that, we go to inventory module. Okay, here, and click the product. Okay, and search for the product name for Mexican. Mexican bunch chocolate cheese. Okay, and here we can see as okay. Nah, as you can see, guys, the stock quantity has been increased, which confirms that the production process was successfully. Here, quantity. Okay, nah, finally, we return to the sales module. Okay, and open the sales order we processed earlier. Here, nah, and then we create invoice. Okay, create the invoice. Okay, we click confirm and register payment. Now, register payment to record the customer payment. Okay, we create. Nah, once the payment is confirmed, the invoice status changed to paid. As you can see, guys, it's changed to paid. And the change indicating that the entire transaction has been completed successfully. Okay, guys, that concludes my demonstration. Thank you for your attention.
I'm Nadia. While business-to-business sales use the core sales module, our retail store use the point of sale module. Right now, I'm going to demo the point of sale module. And I am logged in as a cashier, processing daily retail transactions seamlessly. So I will give a simulation example where the customers buy, for the example, the customers buy Mexican bunch chocolate cheese, and the quantity is 1 unit, and ice chocolate 1 unit. Then we see the item purchase and the total price, and then we can press the payment button. So this is the payment method and the summary, and then we can press the validate button. So here you guys can see this is the receipt, and we can also print the receipt. Okay, like this. And next, I will see the user in Mama Roti. So we go to the settings, and then open user and companies. Then here we are. We can see the user in Mama Roti. There are administrator, Aryo, cashier, Evelys, finance, Gerson, Nadia, production staff, purchasing staff, store manager, warehouse manager. So for the administrator, admin can access the sales module as administrator, the point of sale module as administrator, can access inventory and purchase as administrator, can access employees, time of attendance as administrator, and can access quality control as manager, and can access dashboard as admin. And then administrator also can access invoicing module as billing administrator, the bank as validated bank account, manufacturing as administrator, and administration in settings. And then the next is cashier. So this user can access the point of sales as a user, and yeah, that's it. And the next user, finance. Finance can access inventory module and purchase module as user, and then invoicing as billing administrator. Next is production staff. Production staff can access inventory module as user and manufacturing module as administrator. And then store manager. Store manager can access sales and point of sales module as administrator, and also can access inventory and purchase module. In inventory, store manager as user, and in purchase module as administrator. And then store manager also can access the invoicing module as billing. And then the last one is warehouse manager, can access inventory as administrator, purchase as user, invoicing, billing, and manufacturing as user. Finally, as a management, we monitor the entire company through this BI dashboard. Based on our user acceptance testing, we can make executive decisions such as analyzing quality control and tracking real-time sales trend with this KPI top selling products. So there are our KPI. We have 5 KPI. Okay, so this concludes how Odoo 17 successfully transformed Mama Roti business. Thank you.